getting it on the lift just because of these. So I have this on the frame, but I would be a little nicer if we can, like, I need another extension so we can put it on that bolt. I feel like that'll be safer. Like, see, these arms are going down, so I did place it right on the mounting point. It can't really slide off, so I had to use one of these from the back set. So I just need one more of these 3-inch extensions and I should be good. But super excited about this thing. Now I don't have to roll around it, and I can do all my like filters and everything while I'm walking. I am gonna get some more, or not some more, I'm gonna get the jack stands so I can like put one on the rear, one on the front, so it's a little safer. It is on the latches, it's locked. Yeah, I don't think you can see it, but it's locked. This one's like barely clearing. This one's better, but I had to use one of the smaller ones for this side because it's not enough. And like, there's like, this is way too close, and there's just not any, and I don't want to put it on the body, so I feel like that's the best. So in this video, look at that, another hole. There was a hanger here, and there was a rubber deal that's set, yeah, right there where the bolts are at. So the hanger, so this one is the one that causes the truck to vibrate if you're not, if you put this type of exhaust on it. So I removed the mount, but left the hanger, and I'm driving, and I can hear something like falling off. I thought, oh no, since the other side is gone. See, it's right there. So I gotta replace this, and then I'm just hearing this thing falling off, and I thought I'm losing another side of exhaust, but it turns out it was the hanger, so I just broke it off. That's pretty much where it was holding, like wherever the weld is. So, and this is, I can't remember the brand, but this was an expensive exhaust. Like I can't remember where I got it. It's been a while back. So it's like, it's a good exhaust, but it just, I don't know, like, why is it breaking? This is the first one, and then, or that's the second crack, and then this piece right here, see, it's pretty much cracked. So I got myself another one. I have a friend here in town that had one, so P1 Racing Parts, I don't know how good this is, but I had to get something quick, because nowadays it's pretty tough to get stuff like this. So I got that. So all we're gonna do is just swap it out. I'm probably gonna leave, well, the one I got has a 425, and mine is actually 5-inch all the way from the turbo, or it's not really all the way. So I'm gonna probably replace the whole entire thing just to make it easy. And then I am leaving my resonator. I think that's what it's called. But this one, I don't know. It's probably a cheap brand too, but it's still holding up. So I'm gonna leave it. I just don't like the high pitch noise it makes without it. All right, pulled it off. All fairly straightforward and simple. So now, and this one was a little too tight next to the turbo. See, like, I had to use a crowbar to bend it. And this new kit, they already kind of, I think, tried fixing the issue. Plus they have another hanger next to the turbo, so I don't know if this one's gonna make issues, but this is the spot where I had to bend it. So maybe this one's gonna be easier. And then as you can see, it's kind of bends lower. That one was straight. So on that one, you know, it felt like I had to pull it down to be able to hang it. So this one seems better, but let's just try putting it in and we'll see how well it fits. Hanger's about the same. They even have the ones that are attached to the clamp instead of welded, but there's a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, and then this one had 1, 2, 3, 4. So about the, yeah, same amount of hangers. So let me put you guys on time lapse, and this took me to pull down about, well, I mean, putting the vehicle on the lift and everything, about 45 minutes. So let's start with that piece, and because that one usually is the hardest to do. But I'm gonna also double check my turbo, see how it's doing, and we'll go from there. All done. Got it welded up. This one seems a little better. It's 526, so it took me like an hour and a half, 2 hours, maybe an hour and a half probably. And I did chop some of it because these guys are nice. They send you a little extra just in case you want to move things around. And then I welded the tip and I welded the seam over the axle, because there's no way you're gonna remove that seam or that clamp to remove the one on the muffler. So okay, that would be it. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you found it interesting, give me a thumbs up and consider subscribing if you want to see more stuff. The truck is doing well. I've put another 20,000 on it since I've done all the front end repairs, and it's been working great. Nothing's going bad, so hopefully it's gonna be that way for a while. So all right, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.